More weapons and ammunition seized by the security forces.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Kingston Eastern Police seized 119 rounds of 9mm ammunition and a magazine during a joint operation with the Jamaica Defence Force in McIntyre Villa about 7:50 a.m. on Wednesday the 12th of August. The ammunition was sent to the forensic lab for analysis. No one was arrested in connection with the seizure. Over the past week, in 4 separate incidents across Western Jamaica, the security forces recovered 6 weapons, inclusive of a Glock, a Taurus and a Colt pistol. 6 magazines and approximately 36 rounds of ammunition were seized. 15 people were detained in connection with the weapons found. Meanwhile, a .357 Magnum was reportedly recovered from a man in the Mavis Bank area. The information around the incident is still sketchy, but it is alleged that the man was killed during a shootout with cops.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.